Today I'm going to show you how to make lunch lady bars.
Lunch lady bars.
Lunch lady bars.
We call these Chris Farley bars.
I never heard about these, but apparently a bunch of people are nostalgic to these bars that their lunch ladies would make for them. It was like a special thing, and it was 50 cents and they were super good. So this is our inspo, lunch ladies of the 50s and 60s. First, I just preheated my oven to 350.
Celtics are 15 to 3 right now.
Wow.
I'm sure you and your viewers care a lot about this.
Yeah. Sugar's measured out.
Did you see the video of the kid licking sugar from Walmart shelf? It's like a bag of sugar that opened. He's like,
Softened, not melted, right in. Costco peanut butter. Thank you, Costco. Wow, look at this shot. How much to eat this?
I would do it for free.
One hand crack. Here we go. Boom! Your vanilla extract. Just checking for a shell. We have our oats, flours, salt, and baking powder. No, it's baking soda. Look at this. So I just dump it.
We've discovered something. The lunch lady workout.
And so we just mix this all up. And what is better than peanut butter and sugar? We're gonna bake this. Avocado oil. Press this dough into the pan.
I'm impressed with that. Did we buy a sheet that's a little too big?
No, so you're actually not going to do it all the way to the sides. You leave a little space.
Why?
Because it's gonna expand a little bit when you cook it.
Looks like a Nature Valley bar.
It does. I'm gonna put this in the oven for 15 minutes. On in.
Can I help you with something?
No.
Did you,
No. Now it's peanut butter time. The exciting part is putting a whole cup of this on top. That's what makes these so good, you know? Thank you, Jif. So you kind of just let this sit. Okay, now that it's sat. You should just call these peanut butter chocolate heaven bars.
Chris Farley bars. There's hoagies and grinders.
Peanut butter.
Navy beans.
So I'm gonna let these cool completely before putting on the chocolate frosting. So I already have some butter and cocoa powder, vanilla, pinch of salt, powdered sugar. Oh. This is good chocolate frosting, baby.
Working out so I can eat those.
Yes. Completely cooled. I mean, if this doesn't do it for you, I don't know what will. There she is, a beautiful peanut butter bar. I haven't had dinner yet, but really freaking good. Make these. Let me know how they are.